Hello, friends! Welcome to ABC with Animals, where learning the ABCs is super fun. Today's letter is the letter A. Can you say A? Let's go outside and learn more about ants. A is for ant. These tiny insects are super strong, super smart, and have so many amazing tricks up their sleeves. Well, if they had sleeves, let's dive into the world of ants. Let's take a closer look at them. Can you see the ants? Oh, look, there's one. There's another one. They are so small. What are ants? Ants are insects, which means they have 6 legs and 3 main body parts: a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. Let's say those words together. Head, thorax, abdomen. Head, thorax, abdomen. Ants come in different colors: black, red, yellow, even green. And guess what? There are over 12,000 types of ants in the world. Wow! Ants are tiny but super hungry. They eat lots of different things like plants, seeds, and even other insects. Sometimes they work together to carry food that's much bigger than they are. Look at this ant carrying a crumb. Let's watch them work together. Did you know ants can carry things that are 50 times heavier than their own body? That's like you carrying a car. Ants are nature's tiny weightlifters. Are you ready for a quick quiz? Let's see what you learned. Question 1. How many legs do ants have? Is it 4? Is it 6? Or 8? The right answer is 6. You did a really good job.
Hooray!
Here's another question. Let's keep going. Question 2. What is the size of an ant? Is it big? Is it huge? Or is it tiny? The right answer is tiny. Wow, you did it. Amazing work.
Wow!
Let's try one last question. Here we go. Question 3. What do ants eat? Is it cars? Is it plants? Or is it pencils? The right answer is plants. You're so smart. Great job. Now let's do an activity. Let's practice writing the letter A. Place your finger at the end of the pencil and follow the lines. Capital A has 2 slanted lines and 1 in between. Start at line 1. Next is line 2. Then last is line 3. Let's do it again. Start at line 1. Next is line 2. Then last is line 3. Lowercase a has 1 curved line and 1 short line. Start at line 1. Next is line 2. Let's try again. Start at line 1. Next is line 2. You did it! That was a really good job!
Hooray!
Now it's time to learn about the sounds the letter A makes. The letter A has 2 main sounds, a short sound and a long sound. Let's listen to the teacher make the sounds.
A. A. Ah. 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 Ah.
Can you make those sounds? Try it. Good job! Let's practice these sounds in words. First, the short A sound. Ant. Say it with me. Ant. Great! Next, let's try the long A sound. Can you say acorn? Say it with me. Acorn. job!
Hooray!
Thanks for learning about ants, the letter A, and its sounds with me today. To finish our adventure, let's enjoy a song all about ants and the letter A. So get ready to sing, ants, and have fun!
A is for ant, so tiny and quick. Marching along with its scavenger trick, it found a crumb near a big old tree, carrying it home so happily. Let's write the letter A, join the fun. Let's learn the alphabet with everyone. Capital A with a peak up high, lowercase a with a curve nearby. A is for ant, march, march, march. Learning letters gives us a spark. The ant shared its crumb with an ant friend. They worked together until the day's end. Side by side, they built their store. Ants teach us teamwork and so much more. The letter A is in your ABCs. Let's sing it together. 1, 2, 3. Capital A with a peak up high, lowercase a with a curve nearby. A is for ant, march, march, march. Learning letters gives us a spark. Ants are busy, strong and small. Let's write the letter A and give it our all. Write it down, it's easy to see. The letter A starts our ABCs. Capital A with a peak up high, lowercase a with a curve nearby. A is for ant, march, march, march. Learning letters gives us a spark.
Hello, friends! My name is Happy, and welcome to ABC with Animals. We're learning the ABCs is super fun. Today's letter is the letter B. Can you say B? Let's hop on outside and learn all about bunnies. B is for bunny. Bunnies are adorable little mammals with big ears and soft fur. They love to hop around, especially in the spring. Let's take a look at how they move around. Oh, look! There are 3 bunnies jumping through the grass. Hop, hop, hop. Can you hop like a bunny? What are bunnies? Bunnies are mammals with 4 legs and big ears. Bunnies have strong, powerful back legs that help them hop super fast. Can you point to where their legs are? That's right. Here they are. Their big ears help them hear everything around them. Can you find their ears? Point to them. That's correct. There they are. There are many different colors of bunnies. There are brown, white, black, and even patchy ones. And guess what? There are many types of bunnies all around the world. Wow! Let's count the bunnies. 1, 2, 3, 4. You did it! Good job.
Hooray!
Bunnies are herbivores, meaning they only eat plants. They eat lots of greens like lettuce, carrots, and grass. Did you know bunnies have teeth that never stop growing? That's why they love to chew on hay and fresh veggies to keep their teeth nice and healthy. Look at this bunny munching on some lettuce. Make sure to eat your vegetables. They are healthy. Bunnies live in cozy homes called burrows, which are made of tunnels. They dig these homes in the ground to stay safe and warm. Some bunnies live in the wild, and others live with us as pets. Let's take a look at a bunny getting ready for bedtime in a burrow. Are you ready for a game? Let's see what you learned. Question 1. What do bunnies eat? Is it pizza? Is it vegetables? Or is it ice cream? The right answer is vegetables. Good job!
Hooray!
Ready for the next question? Let's continue. Question 2. What helps bunnies hear? Is it their big eyes, big ears, or big noses? The right answer is big ears. You did it!
Wow!
Let's answer the last question. Isn't this fun? Question 3. How do bunnies move around? Do they walk, hop, or fly? That's right! Bunnies hop! You're amazing! Now let's do an activity. Let's practice writing the letter. Place your finger at the end of the pencil and follow the lines. Capital B has one straight line and two round shapes on the right side. Start at the first straight line, then curve around for the top at the second line, then curve around for the bottom for the last line. Let's try again. First the straight line. Then the second line is a curve around. And curve around again last. You did it! That was a really good job! Now, lowercase b has one straight line and one curved line to the side. The first line is the straight. The curved line is next. Let's do it again. First the straight line. Then the second line is a curve around. And then you're done! You did great!
Hooray!
Now it's time to learn the sound the letter B makes. The letter B makes the B sound. Can you make the B sound? Try it. Let's listen to the teacher say, B.
B. B. B. B. B.
Can you make those sounds? Try it. Good job! Now, let's practice saying the sound in words. First, let's try the word beat. Say it with me. Beat. Great. Next, let's try the word bunny. Say it with me. Bunny. Good job!
Hooray!
Thanks for learning all about bunnies and the letter B with me today. Remember, it's important to practice writing and saying your letters every day. We learned so much today. It was so much fun. But before we go, let's sing a fun song about bunnies and the letter B before we hop away. Get ready to sing and dance.
B is for bunny, hopping so quick, with long floppy ears and a playful kick. It found a carrot near the garden's gate. Nibbling it happily, it tasted great. Let's write the letter B, join the fun. Let's learn the alphabet with everyone. Capital B with two loops around. Lowercase b is low to the ground. B is for bunny, hop, hop, hop. Learning letters will never stop. The bunny shared the carrot with the bunny kit, who nibbled the carrot and loved every bit. Together they played in the garden the games they played. The letter B is in your ABCs. Let's sing it together. 1, 2, 3. Capital B with 2 loops around. Lowercase b is low to the ground. B is for bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Learning letters will never stop. Bunnies are clever, gentle and small. Let's write the letter B and give it our all. Write it down, it's easy to see. The letter B is next in our ABCs. Capital B with 2 loops around. Lowercase b is low to the ground. B is for bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Learning letters will never stop.
Hello, friends. My name is Scribbles, and welcome to ABC with Animals. Where learning the ABCs is super fun. Today's letter is C. Can you say C? Let's head to the farm and learn all about cows. C is for cow. Cows are big, gentle animals with beautiful spots and long tails. They spend their days munching on grass and giving us yummy milk. Let's meet a cow with her baby calf. Oh, look over there! There is a cow! She is so big, so calm, and so sweet. Her baby wants to play. What are cows? Cows are mammals, which means their babies drink milk. Cows have 4 legs, and they can walk, run, and jump. Can you point to where their legs are? That's right! Here they are! They also have snouts that help them find grass and grains to eat. Can you find their snout? That's right. It's their nose. There are many different colors of cows. There are red, brown, black, white, and patchy ones. Let's count the cows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You counted all the cows! You did a good job.
Hooray!
Cows are herbivores, which means they eat plants. Their favorite food is grass, but they also enjoy hay and grains. Cows have special stomachs with 4 parts. It helps them get all the nutrients. Cows need nutrients to make milk. Let's look at how a cow eats grass. Cows live on farms where they have plenty of space to graze on grass. Some cows live in big barns, while others have open fields to roam. Cows give us milk, which is used to make cheese, butter, and lots of other yummy things. Did you know that there are lots of vitamins and minerals in milk? Let's go get some milk from the cow. Remember, they live in a barn. Make sure to drink your milk, so you can be big and strong. Are you ready for a quick game? Let's see what you learned. Question 1. What do cows eat? Is it pizza, grass, or candy? That's right. Cows eat grass.
Hooray!
Ready for the next question? Let's continue. Question 2. What do baby calves drink? Is it milk, sand, or juice? The right answer is milk. You did it.
Wow!
Let's answer the last question. Isn't this fun? Where do cows live? Is it in the forest, in a barn, or in the ocean? That's right. Cows live in barns. You're doing amazing. Now, let's do an activity. Can you trace the letter? Place your finger at the end of the pencil and follow the lines. Capital C is easy. It's just a big curve on the side. Start at the beginning and curve around like a circle. Make sure to stop before the circle ends. Let's try it again. Start at the top and curve around. You did it! That was a really good job! Now, lowercase c is just like a small curve. Start at the top and curve around. Remember to stop. Let's do it again. Start up high, curve down below, and stop. And now we're done. Good job. You did great.
Hooray!
Now it's time to learn the sound the letter C makes. The letter C has two main sounds, a hard sound and a soft sound. Let's listen to the teacher make the sounds.
C. C.
Can you make those sounds? Try it. Good job! Now let's practice saying the sound in words. First, let's try the word cow. Say it with me. Cow. Great! Next, let's try the word circle. Say it with me. Circle. Good job!
Hooray!
Thanks for learning all about cows and the letter C with me today. Remember, it's important to practice writing and saying your letters every day. We learned so much today. It was so much fun. But before we go, let's sing a fun song about cows to wrap up our adventure. Get ready to sing and dance.
C is for cow, grazing in the field, with spots on its back and milk to yield. It munched on grass beneath the sky, chewing so calmly as clouds drifted by. Let's write the letter C, join the fun. Let's learn the alphabet with everyone. Capital C like a crescent moon. Lowercase c, you'll learn it soon. C is for cow, choo choo choo. Learning letters is fun to do. The cow shared its shade with her calf, who jumped around with a cheerful laugh. Together they played in the sunny glade. Cows teach us calm in the games they played. The letter C is in your ABCs. Let's sing it together. 1, 2, 3. Capital C like a crescent moon. Lowercase c, you'll learn it soon. C is for cow, choo choo choo. Learning letters is fun to do. Cows are gentle, kind, and strong. Let's write the letter C as we sing along. Write it down, it's easy to see. The letter C is next in our ABCs. Capital C like a crescent moon. Lowercase c, you'll learn it soon. C is for cow, choo choo choo. Learning letters is fun to do.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.